Class, I'll be teaching you question tag. What is question tag? Question tags are short questions spoken at the end of the statement. They are used to get confirmation from the listener. Rule 1, see what you will have. Positive statement uses a negative tag. Example, the children are very happy. This is positive statement. Okay, for that, what is the answer? Negative tag? Aren't. See, are is there, take the verb are, n apostrophe t and they. For the children, you are using they. So the children are happy. What is the question tag? Aren't they? Negative statements uses a positive tag. You have not returned my books. Have you? See, have is they. Use have. You. Remove this not. Have you? You have not returned my books. Have you? Question tag is have you. Always put a question mark and then don't use capital letters. Rule 2, statements with anyone, nobody, no one, anybody, nobody, somebody, some. One, use they. You have to use, for all this you have to use they. See, example, anyone could have done it. Could is they. Couldn't, negative, then they. Anyone, use they. Anyone could have done it. Couldn't they. Anybody will answer the question. Will become won't they. See, here I have given you. Is will become isn't, aren't, will, won't, was, wasn't, were, weren't, can, can't, should, shouldn't, am will become aren't. This is very important. Am will change into aren't and will change into won't. Rule 3. A few, a little conveys the positive idea. A negative tag is used. When few and a little is there, use a negative tag. See, for example, a few boys went to the picnic. Didn't they? A little effort has taken to solve the problem. Has is there. So, hasn't it. A little effort represents it. Now, after rule 4, after imperative sentences, we must change. See, please open the door. How will you use, what is the question tag here? Will you? Because it is a request. Inform the police. Won't you? Urgent, it's urgent need. Keep silence. Can't you? Command, it is a command. Try this method. Won't you? It's an offer. So all this you have to change according to this. Okay? This is the rule. Then rule 5. After negative imperative sentence, use will you. The same thing it becomes when it is a negative imperative. Don't ask silly question. Don't ask silly question is negative. See, don't ask. You have to use will you. Will you? Question mark. Rule 6. Sentence starts with let. When the sentence starts with let, use shall in the question tag. Okay. Shall in the question tag. Then rule 7. When has, have and had are main verbs, it will change according to, has will change into doesn't, have will change into don't, had into didn't. Example, he has a bike. Doesn't he? See, has will become into doesn't. They have money. Have will become don't. So, don't they. She had fever. Didn't she? Didn't. Rule 8. When has, have and had are auxiliary verbs, use has will become hasn't, haven't, had, hadn't. He has warned me. Hasn't he? Okay. In the next class.